DS-520, a new model from HPMM. Compared with pneumatic system, electrical system has better performance in work efficiency and automatic in control. Fluid exchange can be done in 20 minutes and the speed is adjustable. DS-520 will turn off when the new fluid volume reaches minimum fluid level with a warning signal. DS-520 is able to fold in a small piece for long distance travel. We specially design a port for residual oil. It will release your adapter's case from become a reservoir. A built-in 12 pieces of adapter system is able to cover 90 of all kinds of cars. The patented adapter design gives maximum fastening performance for convenient fluid exchange and avoid fluid leakage during operation. Patented conical design has built-in strong sealing ring with reverse self-locking function. A special material filter is able to intercept impurities effectively and ensure the cleanness of brake fluid. Universal multifunctional adapter has included in DS-520. With adjustable cone sealing connection way has replaced the traditional thread lock. DS-520 comes with 18-liter tank. A special metal oil inlet has been placed in the tank. Is able to intercept impurities, ensure the cleanness of brake fluid. We also want to introduce DS-500. DS-500 is a similar model of DS-520. Compare with DS-520. DS-500 is small and compact. It has carried all the benefit from DS-520. They use same system to increase the quality of exchanging brake fluid. DS-500 has been designed to fit all different work situation in a car service center. It also can be fit in a toolbar that you can walk around with it in your shop. The filling pressure can be adjusted, which is suitable for different vehicle brake system.